Did you know millions of accounts are hacked every year? Just because of weak passwords? If your password is your name, your birthday, or 123,456, a hacker can crack it in less than a second. Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Lodhi Insights. Today, I'm sharing a secret trick that will make your password so strong, even a supercomputer would take years to crack it. First, understand that hackers use programs to test thousands of combinations every second. But if you mix uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, that same computer will need hundreds of years. So, here's the trick. The passphrase, think of a personal sentence, like I love eating biryani at 2 p.m. Now, take the first letter of each word and the numbers and symbols. Your new password becomes I'll-ba-2p. It's easy for you to remember, but impossible for a hacker to guess. Don't forget, never use the same password for all your accounts, and always enable two-factor authentication. Take a moment today to change your weak passwords using this trick. Subscribe to Lodhi Insights for more tips. Stay smart, stay secure. Aya. Afis.